Alright, back in the truck. This thing's been a one thing after another project, but finally got the bed back on after lowering the rear. It's up in the air now so you can't see it, but it dropped it about 4 or 5 inches. And then while we were there, we took the bed off and coated the underside of that and fixed some cross members. And then when we were doing the cross members, broke brake line. So we fixed the brake line, and then while we fixed the brake line and put the tank back up, we severed a fuel line. And so I'm at the tail end of fixing the fuel line stuff. Ended up getting some AN fittings to adapt to the factory fuel connectors, and then ran a PTFE line from there. And I'm only running it partially, basically to like the front of the cab underneath. I don't want to run it the whole way up to the spider injection setup on the V6 because I don't want to touch that. But there's a decent spot underneath that I can adapt it to on the metal lines. And then once we do the V8 swap, we'll be able to just connect it straight to that. It'll be really simple and finish it right up to the new motor. So got the rest of the fittings. We were waiting on a few things I had to order, but I got the rest of them the other day. So we're gonna get around to this right now. One fitting that's a little wet. Super happy that everything's kind of taken care of on the back end there. Now we can kind of start fun stuff after the front knuckles are put on. We're going to start with the engine. Going to do a cam, lifters, all that stuff. Do kind of a whole like cam package on that, springs and everything. And then get some headers for it and slap it in here with the wiring harness and everything. Yeah. Really looking forward to that. Super excited. This thing's running so good.